Welcome back. I'm Brandon Christopher King. Today I will guide you through how energy flows, transforms, and interacts within the RLFlow model, offering a deeper understanding of the universe. Throughout this video, I'll explain how the triad of energy works and how these forms of energy are intertwined with the RLFlow laws, giving you a new perspective on the dynamic forces that govern reality. Let's dive in and explore the living framework of energy that surrounds us. Welcome to this introduction to the triad of energy in RLFlow. Today, we're exploring how energy flows, transforms, and interacts within the RLFlow model, revealing a deeper understanding of the universe. RLFlow redefines energy by linking three fundamental forms: resonance, kinetic, and potential, to three universal laws. These energies aren't separate, but are constantly cycling, shaping everything from rivers to galaxies. At the core of RLFlow is the triad of energy, which unites resonance energy, stability and persistence of flows; kinetic energy, motion and interactions between flows; potential energy, stored energy ready to drive future motion. Each of these directly corresponds to RLFlow's three laws. The first law aligns with resonance energy, describing stability. The second law aligns with kinetic energy, governing interactions. The third law aligns with potential energy, managing reciprocal adjustments. The central question: how do these laws guide energy transformations, and what does this reveal about reality? To answer this, let's break down each energy form and its role in the RLFlow model. Understanding the three energy forms. Resonance. Energy represents stability. Imagine a calm lake, where the flow maintains harmony with its surroundings. RLFlow's first law states that flows in resonance stay in resonance unless acted upon. Kinetic energy describes motion. Think of a roaring river full of dynamic interactions. RLFlow's second law shows that flow interactions produce observable motion. Potential energy is stored capacity. Picture water behind a dam, holding energy ready to be released. RLFlow's third law explains how reciprocal flow adjustments redistribute this stored energy. A living framework. In RLFlow, energy isn't static, it continuously cycles. Resonance transitions to kinetic as stability turns into motion. Kinetic transitions to potential as motion builds stored energy. Potential transitions to resonance as energy stabilizes into equilibrium. This fluid transformation bridges classical physics, quantum mechanics, and relativity, showing a deeper, interconnected system. The RLFlow laws and energy cycles. Each RLFlow law dictates how energy transforms and redistributes in the flow field. Let's explore them in more depth. The first RLFlow law, flow stability and resonance energy. A flow in resonance tends to remain in resonance unless acted upon by an external flow. This is like classical inertia, where stable patterns persist unless disrupted. Mathematically, resonance energy is given by my resonance energy equation, where R is resonance intensity and C is flow interaction speed. Example, a stable whirlpool, spinning undisturbed, maintaining its energy balance. The second RLFlow law, flow interaction and kinetic energy. The interaction of flows creates changes in resonance, producing motion. When stable flows collide, part of their resonance converts into motion. This follows my kinetic flow equation, where V-flow is flow velocity. Example, a calm pond disrupted by a fast-moving stream, creating ripples and movement. The third RLFlow law, reciprocal flow and potential energy. For every flow interaction, there is a reciprocal adjustment in the surrounding flows. This law describes how energy is stored and released dynamically. Potential energy uses my potential flow energy equation, where phi flow represents the stored capacity of the flow. Example: water pooling behind a dam, waiting to be released as kinetic energy. Energy transformations in RLFlow. Energy continuously shifts through different stages, from resonance to kinetic. Stability disrupted by an external flow turns into motion. From kinetic to potential, moving flows slow down, storing energy. From potential to resonance, stored energy stabilizes into a new flow pattern. A great example is a dam. Resonance energy. The reservoir holds water in a stable state. Potential energy. The raised water level stores energy. Kinetic energy. When released, the water rushes downstream. New resonance patterns. Downstream, the water stabilizes into eddies and currents. RLFlow's energy principles reveal fundamental truths about the universe. Energy is never lost, only transformed. These laws apply everywhere, from cosmic flows to subatomic interactions. The flow field maintains balance through continuous energy redistribution. RLFlow isn't just theory, it has real-world implications, weather and cyclones, understanding how energy cycles through the atmosphere, galaxies and black holes, explaining cosmic structures through energy flow, hydropower and engineering, optimizing energy efficiency in fluid systems. RLFlow unifies physics under a living framework where energy flows, interacts, and transforms endlessly. By understanding these cycles, we gain deeper insight into the universe and our place within it. RLFlow isn't just about observing reality, it's about flowing with it.